Taurus, it's me again, Olivia, and for today's video, let's do a tarot reading tungkol sa iyong career. Ano ang energy, opportunities, blessings, and advice para sa iyong career? Tingnan natin. Taurus, this is for Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements, or if you have madaming Taurus placement sa iyong natal chart / birth chart, this video might be for you. Tingnan natin. Pero before we proceed, I would like to say thank you sa mga new subscribers, followers, lalo na sa mga nagla-likes, nag-iiwan ng kanilang comments sa video. Sobrang appreciate and welcome kayo here. You can also drop suggestions, and if you like to book private readings with me, you can check all of my social media accounts and email sa description ng video ito. Again, let's check Taurus career energy ng career mo, Taurus. We got 4 of Cups, the Hangman, Knight of Wands, King of Cups, 6 of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Ang nakikita ko nga sa energy ng career mo, parang nagsimula siya as tinatamad ka. Tinamad ka or pwedeng tamarin ka, kaya magkakaroon ng maliit or maliliit na progress when it comes to your career or kung ano man yung pinagkakaperahan, pinagkakaabalahan mo. Pero magkakaroon din rito ng sudden burst or biglaang pagdating ng iyong energy. Yung bang magkakaroon ka ng inspiration to continue kung ano man yung mga nasimulan mo, natenggang ideas. And there's also luck here dahil nagpursige ka, nagsimula ka ulit, nagkaroon kasi ng reset kaya nakaramdam ka ng parang tinamad ka sa umpisa na i-pursue yung career mo. Or for some of you, may pinag-aralan kayo or may pinag-aaralan kayo na ang tagal nyo siyang natapos, ang tagal nyo siyang binubuno, or ang tagal nyo pinag-aaralan hanggang sa nagkaroon kayo ng spark or inspiration na ituloy yun at natapos kayo, which is nag-lead sa madaming luck or abundance that represents here the Wheel of Fortune and 6 of Wands. For some of you, mas tataas yung energy of attention from other people, and mas magkakaroon ka rin ng kaginhawaan when it comes to your emotions kasi mas balance na ngayon yung emotion at actions mo magkaroon dito ng mabilisang or impromptong decision making, pero mas hindi ka na masyadong reactive when it comes to your decision, lalo na pagdating sa iyong career. Mas magkakaroon ka na ng malalim na decision making here. For others of you, parang ayaw mo munang i-share sa iba yung natatamasa mong tagumpay when it comes to your career or progress mo sa iyong kaperahan, which is good kasi mas magkakaroon ka ng way to focus on it at in-nurture pa para mag-grow pa ang career mong ito. Next is ano ang mga opportunities and blessings for you naman, Taurus. Blessings and opportunities for Taurus. What is your next opportunity and blessings sa iyong career, Taurus? We got 4 of Swords here. Another is the Devil. 10 of Cups. King of Swords. And the High Priestess. Last is 7 of Pentacles. For others of you, nakakaramdam kayo ng kaba habang tinututukan nyo itong career ninyo. And meron din ako nakikita dito na you might, pero nakikita ko dito, mas magkakaroon ka dito ng introspection or pag-iisip, which is another blessings for you para mas magkaroon ka ng clarity sa mga susunod mong ideas. For others of you here, ang blessings and opportunities mo dito is you get to spend time, more time with your family, mas magkakaramdam ka ng emotional fulfillment. Meron din ako nakikitang celebration here with them. And for others of you here, mas magiging kontrolado ka na sa emotions at sa iyong isip. Pero meron akong nakikita ditong konting challenges lang, which is yung ego mo at pasensya mo. So make sure na hindi matied ang iyong success sa iyong ego at sa iyong patience or pasensya. Ayun, sabi nga nila, mata sa taas, paa sa lupa. And don't forget to be grateful kung ano man yung mga nare-receive mong blessings, and be humble. And another blessings here is I heard the word sustain this kind of career ng pangmatagalan, lalo na kung mas magiging pasensyosa ka when it comes to your growth and blessings. Ang advice naman for you, Taurus, pasensya na kayo sa ingay. Advice for Taurus. Six of Swords. Queen of Pentacles. The Moon. The Empress. And the Emperor. Lastly is the Fool. Okay. Ang advice for you, Taurus, here is leave the ego behind. But ayun nga, stay humble and cherish, nurture the blessings that you receive. But wag kang do not use your power, your blessings to, alam mo yung control the people around you. And don't forget also to nurture yourself. And meron din ako nakikita dito, kung ang iyong career ay may mga kapartner ka, kung sino man yung mga kapartner mo ngayon, lalo na kung they are someone who's willing to be vulnerable or nakita na nila yung vulnerable side mo, they are perfect for you. Match kayo as business partners, career partners, and ayun, don't be afraid to take risks, but at the same time, just kalmahan mo yung ego mo, kalmahan mo yung sarili mo, at still be grateful to whatever you receive, no matter how big or small this is, and don't be afraid sa pagbabago. And this is your reading for you, Taurus. I hope it helps. Don't forget to leave or share your energies with me by commenting and sharing and liking our videos. Thank you.